Hi, I'd like to place an order beep to your restaurant.
Excuse me?
I would like to place a beep order to your restaurant. Beep. Can I place an order? Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes.
I would like to place a beep order to your restaurant. Place an order.
Sure.
Okay, okay. You ready? It's a really, really big order.
Okay, I'm ready, sir.
Okay. I would like a side order of kebab, beep, with a naan, beep, and I need a order of water, beep. What else do you guys got? Spicy chicken? Okay. I also need lots of beep, spicy chicken on a stew kebab. Beep.
Chicken?
Yeah, chicken. Beep.
Okay, and what kind of chicken?
What kind you got? Beep.
We have every kind of chicken.
Oh, I like curry. You got curry chicken? Beep.
Yes.
Okay, I need curry chicken. Beep.
Okay.
Beep. And you got the naan, correct? Beep.
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, and you got chicken breast? I need extra large chicken breast. Beep.
Chicken breast?
Yeah, chicken breast.
Chicken breast for the roasted chicken breast or chicken?
I need the double D's chicken breast for the koi.
I did not understand. Your phone is not working.
I know my phone beep bad. Do you? But no, just don't forget the chicken breast. Just that'd be fine. Beep.
Okay, and can you give me your phone number and name, please?
My name is Amy. My phone number is 209 437 62 beep.
207?
What's that?
209 and then?
Oh, okay. 437
437.
2 beep 74.
Your phone is not good. Your voice was cut off.
Okay. It's 209 437 4 beep 27.
4227?
Yeah, 4 beep 27. That's correct.
Okay, and when you want to pick up?
Probably in 20 25 minutes. Is that good?
Yeah, you can come by and it's ready.
And how much is it? Beep.
It's you want to kebab,
Yeah.
one order kebab, one order chicken curry, and how many naan?
How many?
How many naan? One naan or two naan?
No, no, 3 none. 3 none.
Three naan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Beep.
Okay, and how many order for the chicken breast?
What's that?
How many order for chicken breast?
Just one. Just one. Beep.
One order chicken.
Yeah. Double D chicken breast. Beep.
You want to roasted chicken breast or what kind of?
It don't matter. Whatever ones you guys cook.
We guys cooking in the clay oven. It's roasted.
Oh yeah, the roaster is good. It's nice and juicy, just the way I like it.
Okay.
Beep.
Okay, you can come by. It's ready in 20 to 25 minutes.
How much? How much is it? Beep. Total.
All order is like $40.
$40. Oh, that's good. Good. Yeah. Beep.
$2.
Yeah, that's cheap. Beep. Okay. Okay. I see you in 20 minutes. Beep.
Okay.
All right. Bye bye.